Welcome to Art with AK, guys. This is AK. So, the previous video I said to do how to do plant doodles, like plant potted doodles. So this video I thought of like doing the same kind of vibes, a wreath in a plant variety. Like I have given a fast move on how to do wreaths with flowers, but I didn't give a brief intro on floral doodles. So I thought the next video will be that, but still I wanted to emphasize on the plant stuff first and then move on to floral doodles. So today I thought I'll make some of my plant doodles in a wreath, so that you will get the idea of a wreath and also the plant doodle. This is going to be a very detailed video, so that keep your pencils and pens ready. Let's get started. Okay guys, first of all I have to tell you this, that I didn't upload the previous week. I'm sorry for that, extremely sorry for that, because I was not well. Now also I'm not well actually. So I was not well, I sprained my neck, something happened, so I couldn't like film the previous video. So I'm very sorry for that. That's the first thing. And next, as usual, please do subscribe. If you do subscribe, please do click the bell notification so that you get notifications whenever I post a new video. Yeah, so let's get started. First of all, the thing is you have to draw a circle pretty much like this. Then you can emphasize on it. Draw it 3 or 4 times. That's it. You got a wreath. You are gonna build up on this wreath. First of all, I'll give you certain tips. You can normally, even in plant or floral doodles, both, you can draw leaves on the wreath itself, because these are veins that intertwine. So I have a picture of the fast move which I drew. There are like pretty much 2 to 3 pictures. I'll share them with you. This is one. This I messed up this, so I did another version and I published that. This is the previous version of it. So if you see here, I have a wreath here in the center, and we have leaves on the same stem. If you notice very clearly, we have that. So this will be the basic concept of the wreath. So when you have this basic concept, you can build upon this, like these are very little flowers, and you have large flowers here, and something like daisies and roses and stuff like that. So you can build upon that. Based on that stuff, you can build up. So we are not gonna see these today, like roses and these large things, daisies and all. We are not gonna see. We are only gonna see the leaf part of the wreath. So it will be very clear. I've explained it all. So let's jump straight into it. I have a wreath. This is a rough diagram. You can make it more clear and more circular even if you want. So first of all, start drawing your leaves. Basically, I didn't include the vine part here, the winding vine, so that I'm gonna include that here. So draw uneven, like you are not drawing a continuous line of leaves. So draw it unevenly so that it looks very cool. Actually, our nature itself has orderly disorderness. So just don't concentrate on the nook and corners of the doodle. You can like just wander away in the world of doodles. So that's the very important part. And these are pretty much like illustrations. You don't you don't like make it very perfect. If everything is perfect, then it is reality. So that is not it. This is just illustration style doodles. So basically you can draw something rough or uneven. They look cool on this art. So that is one. I'll draw another one inwards. So this is one. See, the circle looked very ugly previously. Now it looks a little bit cooler. That is how you have to develop on the doodles which you draw. So that is one. I'm drawing it very spacedly so that it looks like a vine, and yeah, there are no line shadings required because it will make it very crampy. So you need not do line shadings. So you can write any verses in the center, but I'm not gonna do it because I'll screw it up. So yeah, I'm not gonna write inside. Now you can go and add on your leaves. It'll look good when you add 2 at a time, so that will look good. But if you add 1 also, it'll be a certain style of yours. You can develop your own style. I have drawn and developed my own style of doing it. So pretty much you can first I will recommend you to replicate this in a paper. So I'll recommend you to replicate my art in a paper. Then you can proceed with your own style, your own innovations and interventions in this. So everything looks cool in a doodle, so you can do anything. If you guys wonder where do I keep these arts preserved, I keep everything in Google Drive, guys. If you want a link, just ping me in the comment section so that I'll be able to give you links for my art. They are just free, so you can borrow them any occasions, or you want to learn more, so that kind of stuff. So please don't sell others art. That's a very big wrong thing. So I'm giving you a lot of philosophy, so just forgive me, guys. So this is like a very flappy, like a big kind of leaf. You can see like ferns with these leaves. So large ferns, these leaves are very nice. If you like, this is itself enough. This is itself pretty much enough for the thing. But if you add broken lines, I have said it in the previous video, I'll link that video, the potted video, in the description below, guys. So please do check it down. I'll link them in the description. I can't link them above. Because I do not use a laptop. So that's a big disadvantage. So I'll link them in the description. Please do feel free to go down and check it there. That's a very neat video. So if you want to learn more about plants and leaf structures, you can go there and do them. So if you add broken lines like these, they add more structure and more volume. This is a pretty big diagram, so I'll add only one. If I'm adding a skinny leaf pattern like these, I'll show you now. These are pretty skinny, so I tend to do 2 or 3 at a time. So I'll do 2 here because I'm cramped with space. You can do 3 even. Anything you want, you can add. So that will bring out the beauty of the doodle. So this is one. The next thing is, it'll be like a big vine with the dispersely placed leaves. You can like add a big leaf here, here, and here. So just add a line shading. That looks cute, cool. So the next thing is, I'll be adding a short vine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Sorry guys, I'm counting the leaves. And I'm saying no, this is a skinny one, so you can add another one. And yeah, so here I'll be adding leaves like this, but in, let me not explain, I'll show it to you. These leaves, this is like sage, so that the big leaf and their branches. I tend to do this in big leaves, like the continuous lines. If you want, you can do this. That's what I'm saying. No, that's your creativity. You can do anything. But first, do my art in a paper, then try yours. That'll look great. So this looks pretty blank here, so I'm gonna color these in so that it'll look a little bit enhanced. You can see the embossing effect when you color certain stuff in. After you draw, like, and draw an extra leaf, so it'll look like something is hanging out. In certain areas you can draw an extra leaf, so that'll look very nice. It'll look very cool. I think it is turning out pretty well now. If you see, yeah, see, I said no, this area is a little bit covered than this one. So that is what you have to experiment with your art, then only you can get yourself done. So that is a basic necessity of art and drawing. Even drawing, not only drawing, doodling, illustration, anything regarding drawing. So take care, guys. This is where you have to experiment. I have given you the bases. You can draw these leaves. I can say you can draw this pattern. I can say this is a correct area to start, but still, when you get into your research, your genre of doing things, then only it will come out good. If you can see, this area is covered. If I do it here, doing it here, see, the inside area of the wreath is like projecting out than the outside, because we didn't like do stuff in outside. We didn't shade it, we didn't give emphasis, but still inside you get a embossed effect. I'm liking this. I'm gonna keep this. If you do like it, if you do like other designs, please do be ensuring, and please do give space to your own creativity, so that it looks like massive, it looks like very cool. This is not that massive. This is just for example. I can say you can draw this pattern, I can say you can draw this line, but when you experiment you will find difficulties. So okay, let's keep it like this. You can comment in the comment box below your difficulties in what do you do, so that I can help you more. Please do comment in the comment section below. I'll reply to every comment. So that's a verdict. I'll do it. So you can comment down below. Yeah. Just say what do you feel difficult in this video, or what do you want more in this video, so that I can improve my video quality as well as your experience in what you get. So that's basically it. So okay, now I'll draw just, I am not liking the wickedness of this, so I'll try to draw a AK symbol inside, so my logo, and I'll be back. So yeah guys, I have completed it entirely. Sorry for this. This is my sweat. I'm sweating right now. So yeah, just check it out. See? Okay, fine. So this is my logo. That's a little bit crappy, but still it's my logo. Yeah, this is the completed doodle basically. So if you like this, please do leave a big thumbs up, so that YouTube can push my video to more audience, and I can run my channel pleasantly. smash that like button. Yeah, guys, until the next video, this is AK signing off. Tata.